Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be changing out the logo color on my Tesla Model 3 2021. So I don't typically actually purchase anything and put stickers on my car or anything, but honestly I found these before on Amazon before I even purchased the Tesla Model 3, and I was like, I really want to try this. They're only $20 and they come in a ton of different colors, and so I actually linked it down below if you guys are interested as well. But I got the matte black version, and so it comes with one frunk, one trunk, one steering wheel, 3 side indicators and cameras, 5 wheel caps, and 4 alcohol wipes. So pretty good. I mean, it seems like you get a lot in here for 20 bucks, and honestly, if it looks pretty cool, then I think the 20 bucks was well spent. So today we're just gonna put them on and see if this car looks cool with the logo change color. So I'm just trying to get this car to look as James Bond as possible. So we're gonna test these out right now. So all the logos come with a label on the back, so you can see that this one is the front. So we're gonna try the front first. And then it also comes with these sanitary alcohol prep pads. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this and actually clean off the logo. Just give it a quick wipe down and then just wait for it to dry for a second. So now that it's dry, I'm just gonna take the logo and I'm gonna pull it off the back, and then it says to align it as perfectly as possible. Right.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Okay. And then you rub it on, just like that. And then you just pull it back. Whoa. Just like that. Wow, that looks so cool. So it looks super cool. I don't know if you guys can tell in the camera, but it looks really awesome. And it still has the silver or the chrome around the edges, but it's not on the top. So the top is actually matte black. But I'll try to insert some more pictures here of a better look at it. Now let's put it on the back of the car on the trunk. I think it's close enough.
Yeah, looks good. I can already tell.
Okay, ready?
Look at that, looks awesome. Yeah, that looks perfect.
Okay, so now that we've done the front and then we've done the back, and so now they also go on all 4 tires, so we're gonna try those next. These are a lot smaller, as you can see, than the front and the back logos. Okay. So the 2021 model actually has the chrome delete around the trim, and so I think it really ties the car together once you chrome delete the logos as well. I think it'd be really cool too if you had different colored brakes to actually match your logo color to the brakes as well. But for this, I think it just really ties the car together so that you don't have just a random chrome logo. And then also the one thing we couldn't actually chrome delete is the dual motor logo on the back. So that one we haven't found a solution for just yet, but it's the only piece on the entire car that is left with the chrome. Okay, so then for the final one, we're doing the steering wheel. So I'm gonna take this one off just like the rest. I've already cleaned it with the alcohol pads. And then I have to get this one perfectly straight or else I'm gonna be staring at it every day that it's not straight, so. So I think that these turned out pretty cool. Honestly, they're a little hard to put on the like smaller hubcaps. They didn't really want to stick. Maybe I should have cleaned them a little better with the alcohol wipes. But because our car is the 2021 version, I don't know about the 2020 version, but the hubcaps are already matte black. So then when we put the matte black logo on them, you can't really see them at all. So not like the best suggestion there, but you can totally see the matte black on the actual car itself because our car is gloss black. So it does look super, super cool. But like I said before, there are so many different colors, so whatever color you're looking for, they probably have. So I will link it down below in case you're interested. It was only $20. I think it was totally, totally worth it. I think it looks so cool, and honestly, we'll see how it holds up in the weather over the next couple weeks, but I really, really do like it, and I think it was kind of fun. So thank you guys so much for watching. I also have a Tesla Model 3 2021 1-month review, which I will put in the description below and also link above. So feel free to check that out as well. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.